What's the meaning of anonymous FTP? Anonymous FTP. Anonymous FTP. Anonymous FTP. Anonymous FTP. Anonymous FTP.
Anonymous FTP is a type of file transfer protocol that allows users to access and download files from a remote server without logging in with a username or password. When accessing an anonymous FTP server, users can simply use the anonymous username and their email address as the password. The purpose of anonymous FTP is to provide public access to files and data without requiring authentication. This is often used by organizations or websites to distribute software, documents, or other types of files to the general public.